Hey everyone, Tracy here of DustinandTracy.com, and you most likely landed on this video for one of two reasons. Either you were recently introduced to GanoLife and you're just doing some more research to find out whether or not this is a company you'd like to join, or you're already a GanoLife rep and you're not quite getting the results that you desire in your business. And while I can't really help you with the first part of that question, because of course that is personal preference and I'm a firm believer that you should align with the company that you're passionate about, what I can tell you is that GanoLife is in fact a legitimate network marketing company in the wellness and coffee industries. And so if that's an area of interest of yours, then by all means, GanoLife could be a great fit for you business-wise. Now, what I can help you with is getting results in your business. If you're anything like me, when I first got started in network marketing, my sponsor simply always told me to go back to my warm market list. Maybe a memory jogger sounds familiar to you. That's basically where you contact friends, family, associates, neighbors, basically anybody that you know, and ask them if they're open to learning more about your business. And while this can be a great starting point for a lot of people and might get you those initial results, if you're anything like me, I quickly realized that warm market list ran out pretty quickly and I was left wondering what else to do. So inevitably that led me down the road to some other strategies like home parties, networking events, cold calling, buying leads, even being willing to approach complete strangers in public because I just had such a strong desire to make this work. But unfortunately, what all these strategies ended up doing was leaving me with more frustration and less money in my pocket at the end of the day. So despite all my failures, I really had a strong desire to make this work, and so I wasn't ready to throw in the towel just yet. I knew there were people out there that were getting results and who were creating massive success, and I really just wanted to figure out what it was that they were doing differently from me. And so that ultimately led me to the internet to search for a solution. And in that search, I came across a system that ended up being the solution to all my network marketing problems all along. And I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it was a push button system that created overnight success and wealth because as we all know, there is no magic prescription that will solve your marketing problems overnight. And if anyone tells you that, simply run the other way because it doesn't exist. What I can tell you is that when I plugged into this system, when I took advantage of the training, utilized the training, and then applied what I was learning, my business truly did change over the next few months completely. And what I realized all along was that the missing piece to my puzzle had been leveraging the internet to get my business in front of the perfect prospects. So what the system does is it gives you all the resources, training, and community support in order to learn how to generate leads on a consistent basis. And as I'm sure you know, leads are the absolute lifeblood of any network marketing business. But the best part is that this does not just teach you how to generate generic leads for your business, it teaches you how to generate highly targeted leads and prospects. And that's people who are actually out there looking for what it is that you have to offer. So I want you to think about for a second what it would be like to get your business in front of people who are actually out there sitting at their computers, typing into the search engines keywords related to your specific company and niche, the products and services that your company offers. How powerful would it be to get your business in front of those people and imagine the kind of lead flow that can come from that? And that's exactly what this system enabled us to do. So what I want to do now is share this system with you just as someone had done for me because I truly believe that this could also be the solution to your network marketing struggles as well. And if you get in, take action, and apply exactly what it is that I'm sharing with you today, then I promise you too can look back at your business a few months from now and not even recognize the results. But the key is that you do have to get in and take consistent action on it. So you might be wondering what you need to do now. What I'm going to do is have a link both in this video and below this video in the description. I want you to click on that link. It's going to bring you to a page where you just put in some info, and that's going to give you access to the exact blueprint that I've shared with you today. And so go ahead and click that link. I wish you all the success in your business and look forward to seeing you on the inside. Click that link now.